Let me just excuse myself in advance. As you can hear, I am not well, but I'm trying a new combo, and I thought that I would share it with you. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Hey, excuse my voice. Sorry, girl. I don't know what's happening, but let's just say it has been a long week, and wash day has taken me like 3 days. Regardless, I am trying out a new combo, and I thought that I would include you guys for the ride. Backstory, my hair is already shampooed and conditioned. Today I did use the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Yogurt Shampoo, which I love. So just stay tuned for a moisturizing like Shea Moisture, hashtag use your stash, like coming real soon. And to deep condition, I use the JBCO deep conditioner from Shea Moisture as well. So today for my leave-in, I'm going to be using the Melanin Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. So as I stated in my Melanin Leave-In Conditioner review, the leave-in conditioner was just so lightweight. So I'm trying it again today, and I'm going to layer it to see if I can get the moisture to last a little longer for me. I think I did pin an update about the leave-in conditioner in the comments. The moisture seemed to have lasted a good while, but I also used the moisturizing styler with that. So I mentioned that I'm going to be layering the leave-in conditioner, and today I'm going to be layering it with the Jane Carter Solution Nourish and Shine Restorative Butter. I don't know if I've mentioned on my channel how much I love this. Just know that this is up there with Double Butter Bay and Carol's Daughter Cocoa Creme. This is very expensive. I think it's like $22. I've never paid that for it. I personally only picked this up when I've attended the World Natural Hair Show, when I can get it for $10. But when I say that this lasts me for an eternity, it lasts me for an eternity. I've had this very jar for 2 years. Mind you, because it's so expensive, I don't pull it out that often. So I'm going to continue to only pick this up at the World Natural Hair Show. Speaking of which, drop down in the comments and let me know if any of you are going to be at the World Natural Hair Show. I'm still undecided on if I'm going to go. But anyway, I'm going to be layering this over top of the Melanin Hair Care Conditioner. It gives me great hold, and my hair is soft for multiple days. And then, of course, because no style of mine is complete without a mousse, I'm finally going to be trying on my channel anyway, the Camille Rose Spike Bakuri Styling Foam. You guys already know that every mousse has to live up to my Wrap Me Foaming Mousse from Lala Body. This just doesn't do it for me, but it's not a bad product, so I'm going to be layering this as my styler today. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm sectioning off maybe a medium-sized section, and I'm going in with a couple of pumps of the leave-in conditioner. And I'm just going to rake and smooth that throughout and start finger detangling. I did not detangle my hair prior, even though I probably should have. But great thing about the melanin conditioner is like the slip is unmatched. I'm making sure I get this all over my scalp and everything because the spearmint just feels so good. And so then I go in with a little bit of the restorative butter. And you don't need a lot of this. Once you warm it up in your hands, it moves pretty well. Focus it on the ends, of course. Then once I work that in, I go in probably with about 3 pumps of this. Camille mousse is pretty like light and kind of liquidy and loose. It's not as thick as the Lala Body, so I have to use a little bit more in order for it to coat my hair like I like. And brush it through. And today I'm doing a 3-strand twist out. I tend to start mine with a braid. Alright, I am tired of trying to fluff this. One, I need a haircut, and two, there's a learning curve to this for me. I haven't done a 3-strand twist out in a while, so I can't finesse this like I do with, say, my braid outs or my regular 2-strand twists. These I have to do in smaller sections, and if I do it in smaller sections, it'll make the separation and fluffing, styling process a lot easier for me, but never mind that. So recap, of course, I went in with my Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. You all already know my thoughts on this if you've seen my full review. Of course, I'll leave that video in the cards, but in case you haven't seen that, this is an extremely lightweight leave-in conditioner. And my initial thoughts using this was that the moisture wouldn't last. So when I tried it this second time, I wanted to go in with something that I know was going to seal in the moisture or further enhance the leave-in conditioner. So I followed the leave-in conditioner with the Jane Carter Nourish and Shine Restorative Butter. This has been a staple since the first time I used it. Super softening. It gives me definition and hold when I use it by itself. And I already knew that this was going to help me maintain the moisture that the Melanin Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner gave me. I will say that this is also a very heavy butter, so you don't want to go in with a heavy hand with this, at least not to start off. You want to build this up, otherwise your hair can be weighed down and greasy, and nobody wants that. I did find out recently that they have changed the formula to this, but I haven't noticed a difference in the performance. It still softens my hair. It gives me great shine and definition, and it's still expensive. So this is something that I would highly, highly, highly recommend, especially if you have drier or coarser textured hair. And then because you all know I love to style my hair with a mousse, I went in with the Camiro Spike Bakuri Styling Foam. Now again, this is not a bad product. This gave me the definition. It seems like it's giving me a soft, flexible hold. It also seems like it's enhanced the shine that the Nourish and Shine has given me. But what I can say is the few times that I've used this, I've noticed that my hair is drier quicker, whereas with my Miracle 9 or even say my Boo Lotta Body, my moisture is more long lasting. I also kind of hate that this is so light and liquidy. Once it comes out, the foam just isn't as thick or as coating as the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. As you saw, it comes out like, that's underwhelming to me. Just to be honest, because I am a mousse lover, this just isn't the best performing mousse that I've tried to date. And in my personal opinion, you can find a mousse on the ground that's less expensive that performs better, in my personal opinion. But I'm definitely going to be using this up like this, but I don't love it. All in all, I would say that this was a bomb combo. It's Black owned and it's Black woman owned. But you all make sure that you drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and bearing with me through this, whatever this is. And I'll catch you in the next one.